Write that super small, ugly game and post it to itch. No one will play it. Embrace the ugly start. I mean, I've done that before. I'm trying to move past that. That's the problem, Bone. We're trying to move beyond that. I guess it's like it's gradual. It's never the first one. What I am trying to do is figure out how to make a commercial game. I mean, to be fair though, like honestly, not the worst advice. Because it's like what I am trying to do is make a bigger game, right? Like the goal, yeah, like obviously the end point at some point is to be able to make commercial games, but also to make bigger games so that, you know, that's possible and I know how that goes and what's required and all that kind of stuff, the costs involved, you know, or like just the time sink to know that and like come up with other ideas. Like as you're doing this, you like start to think of other ideas. I probably need to work with a team in the future because I am not much on my own, but we'll see. I think that's the one thing I'm starting to realize. It's like the story aspect and the visual aspect is not something that I'm even remotely interested in doing. So every time it comes down to it, I'm like, nah, let's just make stuff. I want to code and make features, and that's okay. You just need to get other people to work with you. But for now, we persevere because I want to know the entire process from start to finish and what that's like. And until I do, I won't be ready. That's a great perspective. It makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense. It's just executing it's like it's easy to put it like in that way. It's like, yeah, we're just like sorry if the chat distracted, that's the entire point of this. But yeah, it's like, you know, don't let it stop you. If there's a team in front of you that looks good and a part you could play, then that they're asking you to. Yeah, I think that's the other thing as well. I don't like the organizing it myself. I'd rather be on someone else's team. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's something I still think I've got work to do in terms of like becoming a better game designer, coder, all that kind of stuff. There's so much to learn and there's so much to take in, which is why I like ended up on this journey to begin with, really. Like, I was making the course, like the third person shooter course, and I was like, I want to make like a more basic, like how to use Godot course, kind of like Bracky's style, that's more basic. And it's sort of like, I was like, I don't know if I can really like if I want to call myself a game designer, I need to be able to like design games. Like I have to have been through the gauntlet to be able to realistically be someone that can speak with authority on this. And so, yeah, so it's like, yeah, you have to have gone through the process, and that's just like a part of the journey, if that makes sense. And then, yeah, if you want to go back to making courses, that's fine. But like, at least experience the entire process from start to finish, rather than just like knowing how to use a game engine and being like, one day I'll make a game. Like, do that first and then come back to education if you feel like that you like that more. But it's like, yeah, it's a journey. I can tell you that. I've learned so much. Like all these things you would never think about if you were just making prototypes. All these complications with all these other things. Like you think you can make like a menu system, and then you try to like, I want to make a save menu. And it's like, oh, how does that interact with everything? And like, how's that going to work? And there's a lot more like structural things that you need to consider when you're making a project this big. And so that's really, so many hats. Yeah, exactly. There was a guy that used to stream that like would wear a bunch of hats. And maybe someday the community you were growing could produce a team. It could. That's very true. That is very true. Anyway, have a good night, guys. Thanks for hanging out. I really appreciate it. It's always good to be chilling here with you all. Much better than doom scrolling.